Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the reasons for failure of ERP implementation. The main reasons are solution hosted, management perspective, stakeholders, infrastructure, and implementation methodologies. So first thing we'll discuss about the solution hosted. One of the failure of ERP implementation is that whether solution that has been chosen for organization, whether it is according to their need or not. So this is the first reason. Another is the comparison between different solution at evaluation stage. If it is not done properly, then it can be another reason for the failure. Then another is study of need and available features in the solution, and for that if the gap analysis has not been done properly, so that can be another reason for the failure. Finally, ease and reach of the solution also matters a lot for the successful implementation and also for the failure. Another broad reason is management perspective. For the implementation, ERP implementation, if the goals of the management is not clear, then improper investment decision towards solution of ERP, infrastructure, consultation and customization. If all the decisions are not proper, then it can be take to the failure. Another is the weak communication from management to consultant and the end users of the ERP. Another reason is lack of timely review of the implementation. If management is not taking review of the implementation, then it can lead to the failure. Now we will discuss about the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? That can be developers, that can be users, consultant, even if the management. The first is solution providers support towards the implementation. If it is not proper, it will lead to the failure. Another is the end users resistance. If end user have a lot of resistance towards the acceptance of the new system, so it can be another reason for the failure. Then consultants insufficient industry knowledge. Also another reason is casual involvement of point of contact personnel. Now we will discuss about the infrastructure. Infrastructure about the compatibility of hosted solution to the infrastructure with relation to the upgradation of any of above. Either it is ERP solution or the infrastructure. They should be compatible for the upgradation. Then network and ease of reach of ERP solution to the remote location should be proper. Then performance of application over the network, that is another reason. And finally, troubleshooting response from either solution provider or from the IT team. It should be quick. If it is not proper, then again it can be a reason for the failure. Another next major reason is like implementation methodology. So what decision for the right implementation methodology has been taken, then what is done for the legacy data migration or the upload of the data, then what is the frequency of training, then what are the customization need, and roadmap clarity for the go live. So these are the main things from the implementation methodology. If it is not proper, that will lead to the failure. So these are all above reasons for the failure of the any ERP system, that can be small system or the large system. So thank you very much for watching this video.